Hello, welcome back to 270 Motorcycles with a video on how to install our DS line tech mount bar. We're going to be fitting it on this 2025 DSRX Black Forest, but it will fit onto the DS, DSR, DSRX and of course the Black Forest edition from 2023 onwards. It's essentially for the FST platform adventure bike from zero. So let's get into it. So when you receive your mount, you're going to get it in this lovely 270 Motorcycles box, and once opened, all of the parts are within there. You've also got a nice little thank you card as well. But let's talk about what we need to actually get this fitted. So first of all, a 4mm Allen key and also a 3mm Allen key. We've got the two uprights from the mount itself, billet aluminium, really nice quality, and of course the main bar 22mm, so it fits most mounts. We've got two button head screws and also two cap head screws. The button head screws will connect the arms to the bar, and the cap head screws will connect the entire mount to the motorcycle. So first you're just going to put one of the arms up, doesn't matter which side on the bar it goes, get the little cap head screw started, and then use the 3mm Allen key just to get it so it's almost tight, but with a little bit of movement left. Same again on the other side. That's important. We want to keep these loose so that when we're putting it on the motorcycle, we've got enough movement in the mount itself to make it fit perfectly. So there you go, that's it, ready to go on the motorcycle. So now over at the bike, we're going to take the front screen off. Just gives us maximum amount of space to work, and also to remove the possibility for damage. And then the two screws at the top, this is where the mount will actually be fitted. So we want to remove the OEM bolts, and then we can get the cap head screw ready with the washer on it so that we can actually get the mount fitted. So we've put it into place, and the bottom of those upstands will actually fit nicely into the round holes that are already on the bike. Put the cap head screw in, and with the 4mm Allen key, we're just going to get it down, not fully tight because we still want to make some adjustments, but on both sides to get that down just enough. And then, as you can see here, it's still a little bit loose, just so that we can adjust it. So we're going to raise up the windscreen adjuster now, just so that we can get the gap on left and right absolutely perfect. And you can see there's a little bit of adjustment, bit of movement here, so we're going to hold it so we've got a nice gap on the left hand side, and then we're going to tighten this side down. We're going to do exactly the same on the right hand side, make sure that gap's perfect, get it tight, absolutely spot on. Now we can lower the adjuster back down so it's out of the way, and we can now get ready to tighten the bar into place. And of course you've got adjustment here, so you can either tighten it at the top or the bottom, all depends on which mount you're using, but we're just going to get that tight enough that it holds it in place. Same again on the other side, make sure it's perfectly aligned, and then we're going to go in with a 4Nm torque ratchet, so 4 Nm on both sides, which is tight enough to make sure that bar is absolutely secure. Then we're going to do the same 4 Nm on the base hardware as well, so that's nice and tight. We can go back on with the screen now, get that back in place, and then we're essentially ready to fit on whichever kind of tech mount we want to fit onto that bar. So we always go for a quad lock because it's a really quick and easy system to use, especially with the phone case, which is what we use. So there is the Zero DS line tech mount bar, fully fitted and ready to go. We really hope you enjoy yours once you've got it fitted. Definitely share some photos, pictures on social media so other people can see how you're using yours. But thank you very much again, and safe riding.